Hey friends, welcome back to the new episode of the Eminent Pharmacist. So today we will discuss about Bhagwan Dhanvantari or the god Dhanvantari. As you all know, today is Dhanteras and it is known as the incarnation day of Lord Dhanvantari. So first of all, let's start with this video. My name is Rishabh Srivastava and this is the YouTube channel The Indian Pharmacist. Bhagwan Dhanvantari is considered as the physician of the gods. That means he is the surgeon and prescriber, whatever pharmacist, everything of the gods. He is considered as the father of the Ayurveda or the Janak of the Ayurvedic system. I extend my wishes to Bhagwan Dhanvantari, who is worshipped by gods and demons. He destroys aging, diseases, fear, and death. He nourishes this world and possesses knowledge about various medicinal plants. As per Rigveda, Dhanvan Iva Prapasi. It means you are like oasis in desert where travelers can get water. That is, sufferers get treatment and cure from God Dhanvantari. It is the meaning of the name Dhanvantari. Ayurveda is a medicinal system of ancient Indian traditions and it consists of more than 1 lakh verses or Richaye. It is a part of Atharva Veda and is divided in more than 1000 chapters. Bhagwan Dhanvantari is supposed to classify Ayurveda in 8 divisions comprising of more than 1 lakh or 100,000 sloks as king of Kashi Devodas. As per the mythology, King Devodas is the king of Kashi who trained and taught Ayurvedic system to sages including Sushruta, who is considered as the first physician and surgeon of the world, and he is also known as the father of plastic surgery. He classified Ayurveda in 8 systems like Shalya, that means surgery, Shalakya, that means ear, eye, nose, and throat treatment, Bhut Vidya, that is psychology and psychiatric treatments, Kaya Chikitsa, it means internal medicine, internal body medicine, Kamar Bhratya, that means treatment of childhood, Agad Tantra from uh, toxicological aspect of the treatments, Rasayan Tantra including medicines from external sources, and Vajikaran Tantra, that means sexual dysfunctions and sexual diseases. If you review these all systems, then you will find that even modern pharmacy and modern medicinal sciences are divided in only these 8 systems. He taught Ayurveda within framework of Pratyaksh, that means proved, Agam, that means on the basis of uh, gained knowledge, and for future, Anuman on the basis of inferences or some perceptions, and Upman on the basis of knowledge gained on the basis of comparison with other systems or other conditions. As per some Purana, that means ancient Hindu Vedic books, he is referred as incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Even some myths inform that he was sent to earth by Lord Indra, who is the king of gods, to teach Ayurveda to humans. Even the most famous mythology story is of Samudra Manthan, which states that Bhagwan Dhanvantari emerged out of Samudra with nectar or elixir of life or immortality. Thus, he is also considered as the gem emerged from Samudra Manthan. So, I request you all to follow us on the Indian Pharmacist at Instagram, at Facebook page as the Indian Pharmacist, and Twitter at Rishabh345. If you like this video, then please click the like button, share it with your friends, colleagues, students, and other members of the family. Make comment if you have any query or if you have any suggestions. Subscribe this channel and please press the notification bell. At last, Shubh Dhanteras or Happy Dhanteras. Thank you.